Have you ever wondered if your job will exist in 10 years? Because right now, artificial intelligence is reshaping entire industries faster than most people realize. And the careers that seem bulletproof today might be completely obsolete tomorrow. But here's what the experts don't want you to know. There's actually a blueprint for not just surviving, but thriving in this AI revolution. And I'm about to share the exact strategies that forward-thinking professionals are using to future-proof their careers right now. My name is David, and over the past 5 years, I've watched AI transform everything from customer service to creative writing, from medical diagnosis to financial planning. I've seen brilliant people lose their jobs overnight, but I've also seen others skyrocket their careers by positioning themselves strategically. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to be in that second group. First, let's address the elephant in the room. The fear is real and it's justified. McKinsey estimates that by 2030, up to 375 million workers globally will need to switch occupations due to automation. That's roughly 1 in 7 workers worldwide. But here's the thing that most doom and gloom articles miss. Every technological revolution in history has created more jobs than it destroyed. The key is understanding which skills become more valuable, not less valuable, in an AI-driven world. The biggest mistake I see people making is trying to compete directly with AI. It's like trying to outrun a car on foot. Instead, successful professionals are learning to work alongside AI, leveraging it as a powerful tool rather than seeing it as a threat. This shift in mindset is absolutely crucial, and it's the foundation of everything we're going to discuss today. Let me start with the skills that are becoming exponentially more valuable. First is creative problem solving. While AI excels at pattern recognition and data processing, it struggles with novel situations that require genuine creativity. This isn't just about artistic creativity, though that's important too. I'm talking about the ability to approach problems from unique angles, to see connections that others miss, and to develop innovative solutions. Take Sarah, a marketing manager I know who was initially terrified that AI would replace her role. Instead of fighting it, she learned to use AI tools for data analysis and content generation, which freed up her time to focus on strategy and creative campaign development. Her campaigns became more data-driven and more creative simultaneously. She didn't just keep her job, she got promoted to creative director within 18 months. The second critical skill is emotional intelligence. AI can analyze sentiment, but it can't genuinely empathize, build trust, or navigate complex human emotions. Jobs requiring high emotional intelligence, like counseling, leadership, negotiation, and relationship management, are becoming more valuable, not less. If you can combine emotional intelligence with AI tools, you become incredibly powerful. Third is complex communication. AI can write emails and reports, but it struggles with nuanced communication that requires reading between the lines, understanding cultural context, or persuading skeptical audiences. The ability to translate complex ideas into accessible language, to facilitate difficult conversations, and to inspire and motivate others remains uniquely human. Fourth is systems thinking. As our world becomes more interconnected and complex, the ability to understand how different parts of a system interact becomes invaluable. AI sees patterns, but humans understand context, consequences, and unintended effects. This skill is crucial in roles like urban planning, organizational development, and strategic consulting. Now, let's talk about the technical skills you need to develop. You don't need to become a programmer, but you absolutely need to become AI literate. This means understanding what AI can and cannot do, knowing how to prompt AI tools effectively, and being able to evaluate AI outputs critically. Start by getting comfortable with the major AI platforms. Learn to use ChatGPT, Claude, or similar tools for research, writing assistance, and problem solving. Experiment with image generation tools like Midjourney or DALL-E. Try automation tools like Zapier or Microsoft Power Automate. The goal isn't mastery, it's fluency. Data literacy is equally important. In an AI-driven world, those who can collect, interpret, and act on data have enormous advantages. You don't need to become a data scientist, but you should understand basic statistics, know how to work with spreadsheets effectively, and understand how data flows through your organization. Here's a strategy that's working incredibly well. Become a bridge between AI capabilities and human needs. Position yourself as the person who understands both the technology and the business application. These translator roles are in huge demand and command premium salaries. Let me share the career strategies that are working right now. First is the portfolio approach. Instead of relying on a single skill or role, develop a portfolio of complementary skills that make you uniquely valuable. For example, combine domain expertise in healthcare with AI literacy and project management skills. This combination makes you incredibly hard to replace because you're not just doing one thing that AI might automate, you're orchestrating complex processes that require human judgment. Second is the platform strategy. Instead of just being an employee, think like an entrepreneur. Use AI tools to amplify your capabilities and create multiple income streams. I know a graphic designer who uses AI to handle routine design work, allowing her to take on 3 times as many clients. She's not competing with AI, she's using it as a force multiplier. Third is the expertise amplification strategy. Become exceptionally good at something specific. Then use AI to scale your impact. A tax consultant I know uses AI to handle routine returns, freeing him to focus on complex tax strategy for high net worth clients. His hourly rate has tripled because he can deliver higher value services. Networking becomes even more critical in an AI world. While AI can connect us with information, it can't build genuine relationships. The professionals who thrive will be those who can build strong networks, collaborate effectively across disciplines, and leverage collective intelligence. Focus on building relationships with people who complement your skills, especially those working at the intersection of technology and your industry. Continuous learning isn't just important, it's survival. But here's the key. Don't try to learn everything. Instead, develop meta-learning skills. Learn how to learn quickly, how to identify which skills are becoming valuable, and how to adapt rapidly to new tools and technologies. Set up learning systems that work for you. This might include following industry newsletters, joining professional communities, taking online courses, or finding mentors who are successfully navigating the AI transition. The specific method matters less than consistency. Industry transformation is happening at different speeds. Healthcare, finance, and legal services are seeing rapid AI adoption, but also strong regulatory protections that slow replacement. Creative industries are being disrupted, but also enhanced by AI tools. Manufacturing and logistics are becoming more automated, but require human oversight and strategic thinking. The key is understanding your industry's specific trajectory. Are you in a field where AI will primarily augment human capabilities or replace them? How can you position yourself on the augmentation side of that equation? Let's talk about leadership in an AI world. The leaders who succeed will be those who can manage human-AI hybrid teams, make decisions with imperfect AI-generated information, and maintain organizational culture in rapidly changing environments. If you have leadership aspirations, focus on developing these skills now. Think about building what I call AI resilience. This means developing skills and positioning yourself in roles that become more valuable as AI capabilities increase. These include roles requiring human judgment in high-stakes situations, roles requiring genuine innovation and creativity, roles involving complex human relationships, and roles requiring ethical decision-making and responsibility. Here's your action plan. First, conduct an AI audit of your current role. List your daily tasks and honestly assess which ones could be automated in the next 5 years. For tasks that could be automated, start learning to use AI tools to do them better and faster. For tasks that can't be automated, double down and become exceptional at them. Second, choose one AI tool relevant to your field and commit to mastering it over the next 30 days. Don't just play with it. Find ways to integrate it into your actual work. Document the time savings and quality improvements. Third, identify the bridge skills in your industry. What knowledge or capabilities would make you valuable as a translator between AI capabilities and business needs? Start developing those skills immediately. Fourth, expand your network to include people working in AI and technology. You need to understand where the technology is heading to position yourself effectively. Remember, the goal isn't to future-proof your current job, it's to future-proof your career. The specific roles and companies may change, but the value you bring should increase over time. The professionals who will thrive in the AI era aren't the ones trying to compete with machines. They're the ones learning to dance with them. They're building skills that become more valuable as AI capabilities increase. They're positioning themselves as essential bridges between technological capability and human need. Your career in an AI-driven world can be more rewarding, more creative, and more impactful than anything possible today, but only if you start preparing now. The window for strategic positioning is closing rapidly, and the time to act is today. What's your first move going to be?